Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you are experiencing sound problems on your Windows 11 PC such as incorrect audio output, microphone issues, volume problems or changed sound settings, resetting the sound settings can often help. In this video, I will show you how to reset sound settings to their default values in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open the settings app by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. In the settings, click on System from the left sidebar. Then on the right, click on the Sound. Here you will find various options for managing your speakers, headphones, microphones, volumes and other audio settings. To reset sound settings, scroll down and click volume mixer. To reset the sound setting, again scroll down and click the reset button beside reset sound devices and volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults. After resetting is completed, you should see a check mark. Before that, Windows will now reset the sound devices and volume settings for your apps back to their recommended default values. Once the reset is complete, you can close the settings app. Now test your speakers, headphones or microphone to check whether the sound problem has been resolved. Keep in mind that this reset does not remove your audio drivers. It simply restores the relevant sound device and app volume settings to their recommended defaults. If you are still experiencing sound problems after resetting these settings, you may need to troubleshoot your audio device or update or reinstall the audio driver. And that's it. This is how you can reset sound settings in Windows 11 and restore your audio configuration to the recommended defaults. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to GearUpWindows and click the bell icon for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.